Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Tick right the correct answer. Number 1. The Earth atmosphere is made up of A. Wool, B. Dust particle, C. Gaseous. Answer is C. Gaseous. The Earth atmosphere is made up of gaseous. Number 2. Which of the following gases is not greenhouse gas? A. CFC, B. Oxygen, C. Methane. Answer is oxygen. 3. Which method of waste disposal cause air pollution? A. Incineration, B. Landfills, C. Composting. Answer is incineration. Number 4. An example of biodegradable waste is A. Paper, B. Plastic, C. Metal. Answer is paper. Number 5. Soil pollution is caused by A. Smoke, B. Pesticides, C. Dust. Answer is B. Pesticides. Soil pollution is caused by pesticides. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. We get dash from the grass eating animals. Answer is methane. We get methane from the grass eating animals. Number 2. Polar ice is melting because of dash. Answer is global warming. Polar ice is melting because of global warming. Number 3. The process by which Earth is heated up is known as dash. Answer is global warming. The process by which Earth is heated up is known as global warming. Number 4. Pollution can be controlled by following dash. Answer is 3 Rs. Pollution can be controlled by following 3 Rs. Number 5. The process by which organic matter is decomposed naturally is called dash. Answer is composting. The process by which organic matter is decomposed naturally is called composting. Now C. Match the following. 1. Soil pollution. Answer is E. Excessive use of fertilizer and pesticides. Number 2. Non-biodegradable waste. Answer is C. Cannot be broken down into simpler form. 3. 3Rs. Answer is A. Reuse, reduce, recycle. Number 4. Greenhouse gases. Answer is F. Carbon dioxide, methane. Number 5. Incineration. Answer is B. Waste is burnt in furnace at high temperature. Number 6. Noise pollution. Answer is D. Can cause deafness and anxiety. Define pollution. Addition of harmful substances in the air, water, and land is called pollution. Distinguish between biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Answer. Biodegradable waste. Waste which can be broken down by microbes present in the soil into simpler form and can be changed into harmless product. Example: animal and plant waste, paper, vegetable, peel, etc. Now, non-biodegradable waste. Waste which cannot be broken down into simpler form by microbes present in the soil. Example: plastic and glass. What is incineration? Incineration is the process in which the waste is burnt in furnace at high temperature. It produces a lot of ash and cause air pollution. List the methods used to reduce pollution. Methods used to reduce pollution are as follow. Number 1. Reduce. By reducing the amount of waste we produce is the best way of help the environment. Number 2. Reuse. Instead of throwing things away, try to find ways to use them again. Number 3. Recycle. Remanufacture a used material and make it a new product. What do you understand by vermicomposting? Vermicomposting is a process in which organic matter is allowed to decompose with the help of worms to enhance the decomposing process. The excreta of the worm increase the nutrient value of the manure formed. Which things are considered as the part of our environment? Everything living and non-living, such as plant, animal, air, water, land, are the part of our environment.